Hi everyone. In the previous video we have studied about the access specifiers, and before that we have studied about the classes and the object. In this video we'll study both the things combined, and in this program we'll study that how to access the data member and the member functions of a class by its object. There is an operator which we will be using for this, the dot operator. The dot operator is used to access the data member or member function. Now let's move to the code now. So this is our code for accessing data member and member functions. These are the two lines which you are familiar with. This is the header file and this is the using namespace standard. In this scope, cout and cin are defined. This is the template of my class. I have declared one data member and one member function in the class, and both are access specified by public because I want to access them out of my class. That is why I have given them public. One thing you need to see here that I have defined the member function in the class but not the data. I have not initialized the data member. So here is a tip for you. You cannot initialize a data member inside a class. You always need to do it outside the class, or there are another method to do this. We'll explain it later. So this is the data member integer type of a, and this is the member function which has a return type int. In the main I have made an object mf1 of this class, my first class, by the class name, and this the object name. And this is how I am giving the value to my data member. This is public so that I can access it outside the class. This is mf1.a, this is public. Now the a has been initialized to 5, and by this line I am printing the value of a. So this line will give us a. Here end line is used to move to the cursor to the next line, and by this line this function is accessed. So when we call when the compiler come to this line, so he reads that it's written as mf1.function1. It goes up to here and complete the definition of this function and perform the execution this cout I am in function1. So let me just compile this code. There are no errors and no warnings, and I'm running it. See, 5 is printed because of this line. We have initialized the integer member to 5, and I am in function is printed because of this line. So this is how we access the data member and member functions outside the class if they're public. Now let me just make it them private, and now we'll compile the program. See, you can see a lot of compile time errors. In my first class this a is private. So this is just because you cannot access the private member outside the class, and here we are trying to access the private member outside the class. And let me just do it public, and you also cannot access the protected member outside the class, so that is why they are not accessible, and this is giving a compile time error. Let me just again do it to public and compile it. See, there are no compile time errors. And let me just remove this access specifier. I have told you that by default the access specifier is private. See, so the same errors is coming that a is private. So for running this program we need to do is public. If we want to access the data member or the member function outside the class, we need to declare them as public. So there is the output again. So this is all about the accessing data members and the member function, and in the next video we'll study. In this video we have studied that the function we have defined is inside the class, and then in the next video we'll study that how to give the definition of this function outside the class. Thank you.